Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests to my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to restore default iPhone settings without erasing your data. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to settings. After that, we need to click General and scroll down and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here you need to click Reset. Here we need to choose Reset all settings. And here you must enter your passcode. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.